It's time for That's Not Heavy Duty. Have you ever heard of Murphy's Law? Well, Murphy's Law is basically everything that can go wrong will go wrong. Don't ignore doing inspections and doing preventative maintenance. That's not heavy duty. At definitely_Riley on TikTok, they made a funny video that I think really highlights the all too common situation faced by truckers. So let's watch the video now.
Just as I thought it was going all right, I found out I'm wrong when I thought I was right. It's always the same, it's just a shame, that's all.
It's exactly the kind of Murphy's Law that happens, right? And I remember selling parts. I would sell parts to someone, we would get a truck up and running, and then, yeah, they would phone me not that long later and say, you can't believe it, now this failed, I need help. And so this is just all too common in the trucking industry. Some of it is unavoidable, but a lot of it is avoidable. And thank you very much to at definitely_Riley for being heavy duty and reminding us of the importance of doing regular maintenance and avoiding downtime as much as possible.